everybody! A few days ago I was finishing editing my new Adobe Premiere Pro course for beginners, which by the way I will launch in a few days, and obviously I will let you know here. At the end of the edition I started to put these titles in the intro of each class, sort of like decorating the videos. And then the idea came to me to prepare a pack of titles for you, so that you can also decorate your videos with animated titles. I'm going to show you some of them and how easy it is to use them. But before we go to Premiere, I want to thank the people who support me and support this channel by inviting me coffees. Here I will leave their names, and some of them didn't put their names, so they appear like someone donated a coffee. So thank you very much to the someones as well. If you want to support the channel, at the end of the description I will leave you some links, as it helps a lot to continue preparing these free packs for you. Now let's go to Premiere Pro to show you the pack. Okay guys, let's make this easy and fast, okay? We're gonna use this black canvas. Of course, we cannot create a video if we don't have something here in the timeline, so we're going to create a black video. We just pull it here and let's just stretch it as much as we can. The point is just to show you how the titles are gonna work. We don't need to use any other videos here. Let's make it easier. Now we come here to the corner and we're gonna open Essential Graphics. And of course what we have to do is to install the files. So we're gonna come here to the hamburger. By the way, you're supposed to already go to the description. There is a link there. Just download the link and you're gonna download the folder that contains this pack, okay? We're gonna click Add. When you download the folder, you have to know where the folder is, so you're not gonna get crazy and confused trying to look for the folder. Don't get confused with this one, okay? Because this is where I save the folder next to this other one. But don't get confused, you don't have it, don't worry. This is what we're going to use, free title pack. You just double click on it and then you have titles 2024. You don't need to do anything here, don't open it, just select the file and then we come here to select folder and that's it, okay? You don't need to open it. Now we're gonna come here and we're gonna click OK. If we come to local and then we click here in all and we click to titles 2024, now we can see all the titles that we have. I'm not gonna show you all of them because the point for you is to download it and enjoy it and have fun, and we're not gonna lose time here. I'm gonna show you a couple of them. They're very nice. For example, this one, the number 14, we just put it here and you can see it. It's very nice, clean, very cool. Now you can see that the title is small because it was made in full HD, but what you can do is just select here if you want to make it bigger, of course, because I'm using right now a video in 4K. So you just right click and you put set to frame size and you can see that now it's going to be the correct size. Don't worry because you're not gonna lose resolution. This is a MOGAR file, so don't worry about it. Let's go to another one just randomly, okay? Let's go just like that and let's go randomly to this one, for example. Let's put it here. Let's erase the one on the bottom. And now we know what to do. Right click and set to frame size. So it's 4K now. Let's see. Really cool. Okay, now we're not gonna lose time like I keep repeating it. I want you to download the link and enjoy it. Now I have some followers that keep telling me, Mario, the titles that you're giving, my Premiere Pro is so old, I don't have these fonts. Don't worry. In the pack that you're gonna download from the description, remember the link is a Google Drive, so it's simple. Just click it and download it. You're gonna have a zip file with all the fonts that I'm using for these titles, so don't worry. Just go ahead. Now there's no passwords, there's no payment, there's nothing. Just download the file and then you can use it, okay? Because sometimes people are writing me, Mario, I want the pack, it's asking for a password. That's not true. There's no passwords. It's very simple. So please, maybe you did something wrong, do it again, because it's just to click and download. Enjoy. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this pack. A huge hug, merry belated Christmas, and have an amazing 2024. Until next week.